to simplify each of the following, leaving our answers with positive indices. Number 1 example, 9 squared times 9 raised to negative 6 all over 9 cubed. So we are going to add the exponent of this. Just copy the base, raised to 2 plus negative 6 all over 9 cubed. Okay? So if they have different sign, we are just going to get their difference and copy the sign of the bigger number. So it becomes 9 raised to negative 4 all over 9 cubed. Now, this is division already, so we are going to subtract its exponent. So, 9 raised to negative 4 minus 3. The answer? It's 9 raised to negative 7. But the exponent is negative, and the instruction is we should make it positive. So, we are going to get the reciprocal of this one, which is 1 all over 9 raised to 7. So, this is the final answer. Number 2. 7 raised to 4 times 5 raised to 3 times 7 raised to 0 times 5 raised to negative 6. So, we are going to combine this one. Just add their exponent. 7 raised to 4 plus 0 times 5 raised to 3 plus negative 6. Okay? So, what is 4 plus 0? That becomes 7 raised to 4 times 5 raised to negative 3. Now, this is negative again, so we are going to make it positive. Final answer, get the reciprocal of this one, 7 raised to 4 all over 5 cubed. Number 3, x raised to 0 times x squared all over y raised to 5 times y raised to 0. We all know that any variable or any number that is raised to 0, it would always be equal to 1. That is the rule, one rule of the laws of exponent. So we can just copy this one because x squared times 1 is just x squared all over that 1. Final answer is x squared all over y raised to 5. Next, number 4. M raised to 7 all over m cubed times m raised to negative 4 times n raised to negative 3. So we are going to combine the exponent of this. We are going to add m raised to 7 all over m raised to 3 plus negative 4 times n raised to negative 3. Okay? Next, just copy m raised to 7 all over m raised to negative 1 times n raised to negative 3. So we can subtract the exponent of this one. It becomes m raised to 7 minus negative 1 all over n raised to negative 3. So this one becomes m raised to 8. And then, since this is negative, we are going to get the reciprocal. So we are going to make it on top. So that becomes n cubed. This is the final answer. Okay, so number 5, it's as if complicated, but it is just very easy. So this